Preview of the steps for Bringing the Wow. Here we go with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, and rock, and cross. Pop, turn, step, touch, rock, recover, and a triple, half, and a pivot, half, and a kick, out, and cross. Side, back, paddle, behind, quarter, paddle, step, and hitch, behind, side, together, knee, pop, rock, and cross, rolling, turn, and 1. First 8. Here we go. We're going to rock right to the right side with our right foot, sticking our right hip out. 1, lifting up your heel. Back on 2, together on and. Rock and cross. Step back on your right foot towards the 3 o'clock wall and pop your knee to the 9 o'clock wall. Pop, step a quarter to your left with your left foot facing the 6 o'clock wall. Step. We're going to finish our turn with a step touch coming back to the 12 o'clock wall, to our home wall. So we do a quarter, step touch, right, left, and another quarter, left, right. So it looks like this. Rock right, rock, recover, and rock and cross, pop, quarter, step, touch. One more time, starting with the right foot. Rock, recover, and rock and cross, pop, step, touch. And the counts, the first 8 counts are 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Yes, one more time. First 8 counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. One more time. First 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Awesome. Second 8, right foot's free. We're going to press forward with our right foot. Press, recover left, half turning triple step over your right shoulder to face the 6 o'clock wall. Triple step, good. Left foot's free. Step forward, pivot, back to the 12, a half pivot, back to your 12 o'clock wall. Left foot's free to kick, out, in. Those are the steps. One more time. Second 8. Press, recover, triple step, half pivot, and a kick, out, and. Together. The counts are on the second 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Press 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Yes. One more time. Second 8. Counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Perfect. Let's put the first 2 together. First 16 counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and rock, recover, and rock, and cross, pop, step, touch, press, recover, triple step, half pivot, and a kick, out, together. Third set of 8. We cross right over left, go to the side, left. Now do a quarter back paddle over your right shoulder to the 3 o'clock, back paddle again, quarter over your right shoulder to 6 o'clock. Now pick up that right foot and step behind and do a quarter turn over your left shoulder to the 3 o'clock wall, quarter, then 2 quarter paddle turns forward to end up at 9 o'clock. So paddle, paddle, but on the last paddle, you put all your weight on the right foot. So it looks like this with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. 4th 8. All our weight is on our right foot. So we step behind with our left and hitch our right. Hitch. Higher if you can. And then a behind, side, together, knee, pop. Then the left foot does a rock and cross. And we do a full turn, a full rolling grapevine over our left shoulder, stepping back, back, side. Ending back at our home wall to flow into the 1, the recover and together, rock and cross. So it looks like this. Weights on right. Hitch, behind, side, together. Knee, pop, left foot, rock and cross. Turn, turn, and 1. Yes, that's it. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. With the hitch. Behind, side, together. Knee, pop, rock and cross. Turn, turn, flow into 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. That's it. From the top. Slowly, with words. 5, 6, 7. With your rock, rock, recover, and rock and cross. Pop, quarter, step, touch, rock, recover, triple half step, pivot, a half, and a kick, out, out, and cross. Side, back, paddle, paddle. Cross back, quarter, paddle, step on it, hitch, behind, side, together, knee, pop, rock, and cross, turn, turn, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Yes. One more time with counts. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. And the paddles are more like chugs. Keeping your weight low, your feet apart. So they're paddles, but they also remind me of some chugs we did in PYT and Rattlesnake Kiss. That's it.